My Classroom, Week 5. First, let's look at the learning outcomes. In this lesson, we are going to learn 把 sentence. And after the lesson, you will be able to understand the actions using 把.这是什么? What's this? This action is put in. Put in. Put in Mandarin is 放进. 放进. Please repeat after me. 放进. 放进. 非常好. 放进 it means put in. All right. Next one. What's this action? This action is to open. Open in Mandarin is 打开. 打开. Can you repeat after me? 跟我读. 打开. 打开. 打开 means to open. All right, next one. What's that? 这是什么? 这是 close. Close in Mandarin is 合上. 合上. 跟我读 repeat after me. 合上. 合上. 非常好. Now, can everyone repeat after me? 放进. 放进. 打开. 打开. 合上. 合上. 很好. 这是什么? 这是把. From last lesson, we know 把 is a married word, but today we are going to learn a new sentence. It is called 把 sentence. 把 sentence is a very common sentence in Mandarin, which focuses on the result or the influence of an action. Usually it brings the object or the item a little bit front. So the structure of 把 sentence is 把 add item, add the action. So this is the structure of 把 sentence. 把 first, and then the item, then the action. So now can we try to guess what's the meaning of this sentence? The meaning is open the book. Yes, so this sentence is 把 book in Mandarin is 书 and open is 打开. So open the book in Mandarin is 把书打开. 把书打开. Please repeat after me. 把书打开. This is a 把 sentence. So first, start with 把, and then we add the item, which is 书, and then we add the action, which is 打开. 打开. Now, can you repeat me? 把书打开. 把书打开. All right. Next one. Close the book. Close the book. How to say close the book with a 把 sentence? First, we need to say 把. Yes. And then the item, which is book. Book in Mandarin is 书. And the action is close. Close is 合上。So close the book in Mandarin is 把书合上。把书合上 ，Please repeat， 把书合上，把书合上，非常好。Next one, open the notebook. So first is 把 and then the notebook is 笔记本，笔记本 and open is 打开，打开。So open the notebook in Mandarin is 把笔记本打开，把笔记本打开。Please repeat， 把笔记本打开，把笔记本打开，非常好。Next one. Close the notebook is 把笔记本合上，非常好，跟我读 repeat， 把笔记本合上，把笔记本合上，很好。All right, now look at the picture. 把剪子什么 what 书包 is backpack. So what should I put in the line? 把 is the start of 把 sentence. 剪子 is the item. And action is to put in. Put in is 放进. So this sentence is 把剪子放进书包，把剪子放进书包。跟我读，跟我读，把剪子放进书包，把剪子放进书包 ，which means put the scissors in the backpack. Now, can you tell me how to say put the pen in the backpack? Put the pen in the backpack is 把 pen is 笔，把笔 put in the action put in 放进书包，把笔放进书包。Repeat， 把笔放进书包，把笔放进书包。It means put the pen in the backpack. All right, we've learned some actions, which is 放进 means put in, 打开 open, 合上 close, and we've learned 把 sentence. 把 sentence, the first one is 把笔放进书包. It means put the pen in the bag. 把书打开 open the book, and 把书合上 close the book. Remember, the structure of 把 sentence is 把 add item and add action. 把书打开. That's the 把 sentence. All right, that's all for today's lesson. 再见, see you next week. Bye bye.